Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to export your Asana data into Excel. To begin, open the specific project you intend to transfer. Next, locate the project title at the top. To its right, you will find the Actions drop-down arrow. Click it to reveal the options. From this menu, navigate to the Export/Sync section. This opens a submenu providing several choices, including the option to export tasks as a CSV file or send them directly to Google Sheets. Since CSV is the standard format for Excel, we will select that option. Now, decide which custom fields to include. You can pick only the fields within this project, which is usually recommended, or include all fields from multi-home tasks. Once you have made your choice, click the Export CSV button. Give your file a name. Select your preferred saving location on your computer and hit Save. Your CSV will download immediately, ready to be opened or imported into Excel. It is a very straightforward process. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.